I've never seen a backlash like this with any sub products that anybody has put out, and specifically Microsoft. But people just have a disdain for Copilot. And I'd like to talk about why that is and what actually happened here. I didn't like it. And I kind of had the same feeling that most people felt out there when they saw Copilot for the first time that was embedded into their Windows environments or embedded into their Microsoft productivity tools. So the rollout method made it feel unavoidable. I didn't see that, but I can see how that would be annoying, because suddenly you're getting an operating system update you didn't ask for. And there's these AI tools that are embedded into the operating system that you also didn't ask for. And they're making you pay for it. And the big thing, which is what many users I've heard felt really strongly about, is the fact of the matter is it's going to be a forced upgrade. And it just seemed like Microsoft was making another one of their mistakes, where they're coming up with something that they feel is brilliant and forcing it down everybody's throats. I don't think that any of the Windows and Microsoft productivity users were screaming about having AI embedded, into these features. And it just felt forced, and I think that caused much of the negative reaction. So we don't like, as human beings, to have things forced upon us. We want to make a choice. And also, we don't want to feel like we're paying for something that we're not getting value from. I think Microsoft was becoming the scapegoat for that, because they were the worst at pushing this at everybody who didn't ask for it. And so people are feeling a little gypped out there. In order for humans to be productive with this technology, they need to choose it, and they need to trust it, and they need to understand it. They'll just push it at you and make you pay for it. And since it's part of an operating system, a part of productivity tools you absolutely depend on, you really feel like you have no choice. But operating systems are typically going to be systemic to everything you use. And people felt that it's almost a sacred thing, a violation of ethics, if they're pushing stuff at you didn't ask for. They felt gypped and then feeling surveilled. So that's not a good relationship to have with your users. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments, whether you agree with me or not, and whether or not you're ditching some of the Microsoft tools and operating systems for other paths because of Copilot or any other reason.